Ito, special na ito. This is the Manitou Machete. In the Philippines, we say machete versus machete or ganyan. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, machete. Hello yung mga kapadyak! It's Brian here and I'm here to introduce you to the Luntian 2.0. This is our latest all-terrain bike and yung geometry ito is something really special kasi yung engineered bamboo at saka yung whole pole bamboo combined with the abaca fiber make for a really high performance all-terrain cross-country bike. So ito may flat finish, so new for 2020 meron tayong bagong pintura, so the matte look to complement this bike which has the Shimano XT grupo. So I'll run you through these components and the geometry on this video, so stay tuned. Okay na. So, to the geometry sa batalyon nito, the Luntian 2.0 is called this one because the Luntian is green. It can be going all over yung buong bansa. And the special part of this is na yung double top tube, which runs all the way from the head tube hanggang sa dropouts. So, may dalawang effective triangle and then you achieve the torsional stability plus flex. Parang may konting give sa geometry, meaning may built-in shock absorption pero may magaling transferring energy when you're making the padyak. So about the construction sa frame, the bamboo is joined to the frame with abaca fiber and epoxy. So this part of the lugs is hand wrapped and it takes our BAM builders sa Tarlac mga 50 hours per frame of construction time. And now we'll get you to the fork. So what we have inside the head tube is a oversized semi-integrated headset which allows for yung tapered headset. So yun ang may adapter dito sa headset na pwede mag-accommodate yung tapered fork. So yung fork ito, special na ito. This is the Manitou Machete. In the Philippines, we say machete versus machete or ganyan. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, machete. And the special functions of this fork are it's an air spring fork at saka 32 mm on stanchions. So normally yung stanchions are from 25 or 30 mm. Ito medyo mas malaki, so you get more sturdy riding. At saka may special quick toggle dito para you can adjust the lockout, and meron ng controller dito, remote control para sa tenedor. Meron din ng backwards tawag ito arch, rear arch, ang signature na yung mga
reverse
Manitou
arch
forks.
na pala.
That's how you know
Reverse
legit
arch.
na ito. At saka yung disc rotors,
Machete.
here we've got 160 mm rotors. On this one, there's stainless steel mixed with alloy to achieve the strength, no rust, and lightweight. At saka yung XT calipers, may yung disc, may ice tech para your rotors will stay cool when they're being used. And that brings us next sa drivetrain. Sa Shimano XT, this is 1x12. Now the 1x12 is uso for cross-country and downhill riding kasi you don't need a front derailleur or the left side shifter. So para mas magaan, mas simple yung mechanism. And then yung 1x12, meron ng full range. And in the XT, hindi siya steel. This is an alloy construction for the material. So, yung good thing also about the Deore XT rear derailleur is you have control here with the clutch. And then fully adjustable siya. You can adjust the tension for the clutch here by removing lang this and then using a 2mm hex para you can control clutch tension on the fly. So one of the features which is really great about the XT is that when you're downshifting, it's not just one click for one gear. Pwede dalawang downshift for one push. You can actually feel it, and that's one of the advantages of the higher end group sets. Parang you have this really smooth feeling sa shifting, at saka yung downshift pwede multi-shift sa baba. So if you're climbing and you need to really quickly downshift, mas mabilis ito. So the Luntian 2.0 Bambike weighs in at a total of about 14 kilos. And it's really a good setup. Light enough, parang alloy yung buong build. Pero yung best na ito is the ride quality. Kasi yung bamboo frame, mag-absorb yung mga chatter and yung buzz. Kasi parang built-in shock absorber. So, yung flex na pwede mag-achieve sa frame actually translates into a really good ride. So, check it out at bambike.com and see you in the next video. Once again, I'm Bam Brian. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and share. See you in the next one.